Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 18th tutorial for Bootstrap for beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create Bootstrap for badges. What we discuss on today? How to create badges and fields using Bootstrap 4. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM, completely free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today, how to create badges and fields using Bootstrap 4. I'm explaining some description. What we discuss on today, how to create badges in Bootstrap. How to create badges in Bootstrap 4. How to create contextual badges. These are the contextual badges. And how to create fields. How to create fill badges in Bootstrap 4. How to create badge inside an element. How to create badge inside an element. This is the badge inside an element. Okay. Next, badges are used to add additional information to any content. Badges are used to. This is the badge. New is the badge. Badges are used to add the additional information to the content. Add additional information to any content. Use the badge class. Use the badge is the class. Badge class together with a contextual class like badge secondary within span elements to create rectangular badges. Span elements to create rectangular badges. This is the rectangular badge. How to create this one? I am explaining. Note that badges scale to match the size of the parent element. Badges scale to match the size of the parent element. And next one is the contextual badges. Use any of the contextual class to change the color of the badge. Use any contextual classes. Contextual class means badge secondary, anything. Badge secondary, primary, warning, success. I will explain with coding. And next one is the fill badges. How to create fill badges. Use the badge fill class to make the badges more round. I will explain with coding. This is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know here I am calling only Bootstrap CSS, JS, jQuery libraries. Just I am creating a CSS file. I am not to write anything here. Here I am write do class container SHS solutions. Okay, once we check the output. This is the output. Next here I am write the some CSS for this body, background color, box blue, color white. Okay, once we check the output, this is the output. Next one is the check the output. This is the output. Primary is the blue color, secondary is the light gray color. So check the output. This is the output. Bootstrap for badges. Bootstrap for contextual badges. Scan class badge primary. Okay, default is not showing here. Bootstrap for contextual badges. Badges like this. Primary background color is blue color, secondary gray color, success, green color, danger, warning, info, light and dark. Okay. Next one is the pill badges. How to create pill badges. Bootstrap for pill badges. Span class badge pill badge default. Also check output default, primary, secondary, warning, danger, info, light and dark. So guys, this is the process to write the pill badges. What is the pill badge class? Badge pill, badge light or dark, primary, secondary, anything your wish. Okay. Next one is the badge inside an element. How to create badge inside an element. Okay, this is the Bootstrap for badge success class. So guys, this is the process to write the badge inside an element. What is the class? Badge light. So guys, this is the process to write the process to create Bootstrap for badges and pill badges. I hope we all understand how to create Bootstrap for badges and pill badges. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and Digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials for the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and your mobile also. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.